Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make these yummy vegan gluten-free pancakes, so stay tuned and let's get started. The first thing you'll need is 1 cup of raw oats. The next thing you will need is 1 cup of almond milk. The next thing you'll need is 1 ripe banana. So once you have all your ingredients prepped and ready, you'll just start combining it. First I'll add the oats, the almond milk, and then my ripe banana after it's been sliced up. Then with my handy dandy magic bullet, I just blend all the ingredients together. This is really easy and simple to use. I like using the magic bullet for this because not only can I blend all the ingredients together, but I can pour the pancakes in the pan right from the cup. This is what that consistency ends up looking like. So while I'm making my mixture, I turn my frying pan on medium to low heat. So in a non-stick pan, I'm using my almond oil, and you just need to lightly coat the frying pan. Pour the mixture in, and then I just let this sit on each side for about 5 minutes. And as you can see, this is also a non-spill recipe. Very family friendly. Once I'm done with all my pancakes, I just transfer it to the plate. Then I'm just going to top that off with half of a ripe banana and also some agave nectar syrup, as well as organic powdered sugar. Bon appetit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below a meal that you guys would like to see. And if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button.